Hey, Kevin Wilson here, and welcome to my channel. This lesson is actually for beginners, so if you're a beginner, you're in the right place, okay? And by the time we get finished with this, you'll have a very basic understanding on how to solo over a chord. I'm only going to be using 3 chords today, as you've seen in the demos. Only 3 chords. So let's get started. What are the 3 chords? We're going to be in the key of C. And the 3 chords are C, and we're starting on the 10th fret, okay? And we're only playing 3 notes. And we're using our D string, our G string, and our B string. And that's making that C chord, okay? Then we're going all the way up to the 1st fret. And with the same fingering, we're going to play the F chord. So if you even slid it all the way up to the 1st fret, you have that same chord. And then we're going to go down to the 3rd fret and play the same chord again, which would be G in this position here. That's a G. So we have C, F, and G. Okay? Try it. Go ahead and practice it. Play the C, the F, and the G. Okay? And so basically what happens is, out of those 3 chords, I am just going to be playing the notes out of each of those chords. Now, the first one, as you heard in the demo, they're moving from the C to the F. Okay, so it's going like that. Or that's the F. Okay. So what I'm playing is I'm playing each note individually. And then I'm moving a whole step up to the F. Because that's the chord. F is the chord that they're going to. So we're playing okay, that's the first line of that solo. Okay. And then we go to the next chord, which is the actual F chord, the F chord. Okay, and then we're playing each note out of that chord, starting on the D string. So we have the D string on the 3rd fret. We have the G string on the 2nd fret with our middle finger, and then with our index finger, we're playing the 1st fret on the B string. Okay, and then you have, okay, so the first, let's go back. The first line we have, then we do it again. Okay, and then we have the F. Okay, we have that. And then we're going to move to the G chord. But the way we're going to play it, we're not going to play it stroking it down. We're actually going to play it. Okay? So the first on the F, we're going to play it going down from the D string. Right? And then we're going to play the B string, the whole step up from the first fret, we're going to the third fret and start on the B string and work our way up the B string on the third fret, the fourth string on the G string, and then on the fifth fret on the D string. So that second phrase would be again. And then we go back to the beginning. Okay, let's watch the clip again, and so you can get an idea of how it should sound, okay? And so let me explain what I did on that first chord, because I actually slid into that F. So we went and we slid from that 7th fret, I'm sorry, the 8th fret. The 8th fret to the 10th fret. Okay, so we went, okay. Okay, and that's all it is to playing that solo, is playing what they call, the technical term for it is arpeggio, but it's actually just outlining the chords or playing the notes within the chord. Hey, listen, make sure you let me know how you do it. I want to tag me in it. I want to hear how you do it, and let me know that you got it, okay? Thank you for viewing, and we'll see you next time.